So I was out showing a buyer some properties today, and she had already driven around the neighborhood and looked at some of the houses we were supposed to look at. And she was like, I don't really want to see those houses because they didn't look so great from the outside. And I explained to her, not always from the outside is what it's going to look like on the inside, and it was worth to go in and see them. But what does that say? That tells sellers that when you're listing your house and you're selling your house, the number one thing that you really need to do is make sure that the curb appeal is great. Whether that's doing the landscaping, making sure that the area around it is all cleaned up, paint the front door. And if you can have the budget, then paint the outside of the house. That's right. You want people to be invited into your home. You want your house to look the best it possibly can be. So why not start from the outside? So this is one of my number one tips. And you know what? For 2022, the number one color to paint those brick houses was alabaster white. That's right, from Sherwin-Williams. So you know what? If you've got a brick house and you can afford it,